Hello, good morning friends. Today I am going to talk about the practices related to ethical milking. Revival of the ethical milking practices is the need of the hour. As you know, Mother Cow is the lady of all treasures and milk produced by Desi Indian cows can heal several diseases if served without any form of adulteration. As per the Yajurved, the cow has unlimited qualities and virtues. In the Holy Vedas, the cow is linked to the Aditi, the mother of all the gods. Unhygienic environment and lack of facilities for cows. We are living in a country where a major chunk of the population consumes milk and milk-based products daily. In most parties, events, functions, and even normal days, we prepare coffee, sweets, and other milk-based food items. Despite the demand for milk in the Indian market, mother cows, the major milk provider, suffers a lot by one or the other means. Move to any traditional dairy farms and you will observe that they are not even getting the necessities such as healthy food, ethical living condition, healthcare facilities and other basic sources of comfort. Friends, it's a matter of worry. Unfortunately, cows don't get enough space to roam freely and relish the beauty of soothing nature. Ethical milking, also known as Dohan, was followed and esteemed in ancient Bharat, but post-independence a wave of commercialism arrived in our country and the ethical practices were stopped. All the dairy farmers and milk business owners were immersed in the rat race for minting profit and nobody was concerned about the quality of milk. Things have even deteriorated. Ethical milking has nothing to do with profitability and production of milk. It is concerned with providing a safe, blissful, and nourishing atmosphere to the Desi Indian cows. Let's talk about the elements of ethical milking. Have you ever experienced difficulty convincing your child to consume a big glass of milk before they leave for school? Normal A1 milk can cause stomach pain and digestive issues, as A2 milk is tummy friendly and won't lead to any discomfort. Switching to A2 cow milk will give relief to your stomach, prevent the problem related to digestion, and boost your immune system as well. The ethical milking process is simple and natural. Cows are preserved in a healthy, cool, and safe environment where sufficient sunlight and the air is present. Cows receive a sweet and friendly welcome, and they have unique names and identities. Furthermore, they are treated like family members. Even non-milking cows receive equal treatment and deserve to have fun-filled moments just like milking cows. At Swadesi VIP, we ensure that we follow the principles of ethical milking at every single step of obtaining pure A2 milk. Delivering high quality and nutritious milk to our customers is a matter of prime concern for us. We are maintaining the environment of companionship at Swadesi VIP farm, where we raise up cows in a healthy and blissful environment. If you are looking for purity and wish to take milk from a dairy farm, where there is no place for cruelty and violence, you can bank upon Swadesi VIP. Thank you very much.